Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest work.
Welcome back to the CryptoFather channel. Today is the 6th of February. We're gonna make this one a short one and sweet one, to the point, without any massive introductions, without any fanfares. I've discovered a program, it fell into my lap essentially, that I think is phenomenal. It's interesting. I mean, it's not phenomenal, but it's interesting. It's definitely interesting. This Telegram app uses AI algorithmic trading to generate daily income, daily profits. It's a very interesting idea, and I wanted to share it with you today because right now I'm running a contract on the app. I'm going to go over the app and explain how it works, and I don't know everything 100%. I just discovered it basically yesterday, and I've been collecting some revenue from the contracts that are running on the app right now on my app, on my end. So I'm going to go over some of the things that are happening and explain to you how it works and how you can start making some extra ton on your Telegram app. So the app is called Algo Trade, and I'm going to post the ref link below the video. When you register with the ref link, you get 0.1 ton for free, and that is put into a contract, and the contract starts earning you revenue right away. So this is what's happening right now here. Basically, Algo Trade uses arbitrage to trade between exchanges and between different cryptocurrencies in order to generate profits and take advantage of the ups and downs. It's a very simple idea, buying low and selling high, but at the level of an AI and with the speed of an AI, which is something that a human cannot do. And this is where the profits are generated, basically, because the AI is able to navigate quickly between exchanges, between currencies, finding out the differences and trading upon those. Right now you can see the contract that I have. The current contract that I have received is 0.1 ton, and the daily revenue is made up to be 0.015 tons. So it's a small amount, but this is the contract that is done. And you can see right here, the unclaimed balance, it is accruing slowly because it is on a small amount. I've already collected some of it, so I've got 0.0089 ton, which is a tiny amount, and it's not possible to withdraw it yet because the smallest amount that you can withdraw is 0.01, I guess. So anything below the 2 digits you're not able to withdraw. There was also a withdrawal fee which needs to be taken into account, so there is no point of withdrawing tiny little amounts. But this is what's happening. So it's possible to invest, of course, larger amounts. So on the main page there are different trading pairs. You can choose from different trading pairs. There's Bitcoin USDT, Tron USDT, Doge, ETH, TON, XRP, Solana, and BNB. Over here, if you go to the invest button, you can choose the amount or the type of arbitrage that you would like the bot to perform. There's an explanatory wall that explains to you everything that takes place on this platform. So arbitrage involves taking advantage of price differences between exchanges. Here's how arbitrage operates. After each trading cycle, the profits generated from successful trades are distributed back to contract holders based on the number of blocks they hold. A specific type of arbitrage strategy defining terms like risk level, flexibility, and potential returns associated with the contract period, the duration of the contract, indicating how long your capital will remain invested to earn rewards. It can vary depending on the selected contract type. The total amount of ton or capital committed within the contract, also known as expected value, representing your initial investment plus any accumulated returns over time. I'm not going to read over this, you can read it yourself, but there are different types of investments. There's spatial arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, cross-border arbitrage, futures arbitrage, options arbitrage, statistical arbitrage, and one-click trade. And the spatial arbitrage is the one that allows you to start with a small amount. So you could invest, you can open a contract with 2 ton and basically start earning on that. If you do open a contract with 2 ton, your contract value is right here and the APR is indicated right here. So on a daily basis, you would be receiving 258%, so this is on an APR, annual percentage rate. So you'd be receiving 258% return annually. Obviously, this is not per day, so you're not going to be getting 4 ton back on a daily basis. This contract period would be for 7 days. And so your accrual would be the equivalent of 258% divided by 365 days, right? So that's what you'd be getting for this contract. So the current contract right now, you can see right here, I'm not sure what the percentage is of return is on this, but on a daily, it is 0.015 ton. On the spatial arbitrage, it would be the indicated amount. You can start with 2 ton, and of course you can increase it to whatever amount you want. It goes all the way to 10 ton. So 10 ton is the maximum amount that you can invest into the spatial arbitrage. Then there is the triangular arbitrage, which starts with 10 ton, and you can increase that all the way to 100. I guess it keeps going. You could go forever, I guess, over 1,000 tons. So in any case, cross-border arbitrage starts at 60 ton. I'm not sure if you have that kind of money, but this is where it starts at. But regardless of how much, you can start with 2 ton, and it's easy. Basically, you can start with by registering and receiving the 0.1 ton and see how this algo trading begins to work for you. And just to show you that this actually works, you can claim your amount. So I've already made a claim yesterday of 0.0089. If you click on the claim button right here, you can see that the balance has been shifted to here at the top to my wallet, and a new accumulation has begun. On the right hand side, there is a wallet, and if I go there, I can see there is ton. This is what I've accumulated so far, 6 cents worth. But also in addition to ton, you can collect dogs and you can collect algo, which algo I assume is going to be their native token. They're about to launch that as well. And you can collect those here in the missions section. Right, if you go to the missions section, you can collect by completing tasks. You can collect IGO and you can collect dogs, hourly rewards. So there you go, just collected some algo. So every hour you can collect some algo or IGO, I don't know, I think it's AIGO maybe. And then for completing tasks, you can collect dogs as well. And so all of that shows up in your wallet right here. Right now I've got 330 dogs. And these are the tasks that I've completed and collected all the dogs. And you can withdraw. You can withdraw your funds right here. I can withdraw the dogs, or I can withdraw ton. Withdrawal balance 0.14. So right now I could withdraw 0.1. So like I said, the minimum withdrawal is 0.01 ton. There is a 0.01 ton fee, obviously, to pay the charges for the transaction. So there is no use if withdrawing small amounts. This is just for just to show you how it works. I could withdraw dogs if I wanted to. Withdraw balance, but the fee is 500 dogs. So again, this isn't worth it right now. And I guess with time I'll be able to withdraw some algo or AIGO as well. Although the withdrawal fee is massive, 10,000 AIGO, because it's worth bupkis. You also get rewards for inviting people, obviously, as it goes with every other app, right? So receive 50 dogs for every referral that makes a claim. So if you refer people to this app, you will get 50 dogs for every claim. And you also receive 100 IGO tokens for every invite, and additional with working capital from every friend that makes a claim. And then receive 5% of friends' contracts value as commission. So whenever people that you invited use the app, you will receive some commission from those actions as well. To get a better idea of what the individual trades are, you can go to your wallet and click the invest button right here, and over here it gives you the list of the different types of contracts. So let's start with the spatial arbitrage. So the spatial arbitrage trading pairs, I assume, I haven't checked that out yet, but I assume that you can change the trading pairs between Bitcoin and ton. The period is for 7 days, daily returns on a 2 ton investment. So this is the basic, this is the minimum that you need to invest, and that is 2 ton. And so on a daily basis, you would be receiving 0.299 ton. And also you receive an airdrop bonus of 300 algo, because I guess they're promoting kind of like farming, right? You invest some ton and you receive some algo return. And so your APR for this contract would be 258%. And this contract will expire after 7 days. So I guess that after 7 days, it automatically stops and you would have to reinvest basically. You can change the amount of your contract to whatever you want, 2 or 3, which means, of course, the number of ton required changes. So one contract is 2 ton. Now, spatial arbitrage. What is spatial arbitrage? Algorithm detects price differences for the same cryptocurrency across multiple exchanges, automatically buying at lower prices and selling at higher ones to profit from the price discrepancy. I'm having a hard time reading the discrepancy. Fast execution ensures our bot capitalizes on opportunities before they vanish. So this is something that you would do on a regular basis anyway as a trader, but the AI allows you to do it a lot faster. Then there's triangular arbitrage. AlgoTrade identifies price imbalances among 3 trading pairs on a single exchange. It executes a series of trades to profit from inefficiency, cycling assets in a way that generates profit while minimizing fees and risk. So it basically looks at 3 trading pairs on a single exchange. So it doesn't bounce between exchanges, uses the same exchange. Then you've got options arbitrage. It analyzes option contracts for mispricings, buying undervalued options and selling overvalued ones to capture profit. Its fast automated execution allows it to exploit price inefficiencies between options and their underlying assets for risk-free profits. And statistical arbitrage uses advanced statistical models to identify short-term price inefficiencies by executing high-frequency trades based on productive algorithms and historical data. It profits from market discrepancies. And so that's it. And if you notice that the return on these are different, the highest return rate is on the statistical arbitrage. I'm not sure what the risks are, but the contract price is 1,000 tons. So this is the minimum that you would have to invest. And so obviously you get a massive return because you're investing a big chunk of money. Depending on the different contract that you are trying to run, obviously the risk is a little bit higher because you have to invest a lot more, but of course the reward is also a lot higher. But to start, you can start off with the spatial arbitrage, and that's going to be my next step. I will probably run a 2-ton contract for 7 days and see how that works for me. But for now, right now, as it stands, this 0.1 ton contract is working for me. And this is not very different from the trading bots that so many exchanges use right now. You can use these trading bots on Binance. You can use these trading bots on OKX, on KuCoin as well. So these trading bots, this is not something unusual. This is a pretty common trading bot, but it has been implemented on Ton, and it just makes it so much easier to use it. Like I said, the ref link is below the video. Join with the ref link and you will get yourself that 0.1 ton, and the contract will be initiated automatically on your account. You will have to connect your wallet. I think you might have to go through some steps like connect your Ton wallet. If you don't have a Ton wallet, then you need to set that up. Of course, set up your Ton wallet. It's dead easy. Set up your PIN, password number, and then in order to open a contract, obviously you're going to have to transfer some Ton into your wallet. But for now, you don't need to transfer any Ton into your wallet if you want to just start trading with the 0.1 ton and start collecting your Ton. So you can do that on a daily basis. So get that going right now and enjoy the app. If you did start trading and if you did enjoy the video, if you're taking advantage of this proposition, and please make sure to smash the like on this video, subscribe to the channel. This is the kind of stuff I try to bring to my audience, to you guys. I'll be a crypto daddy. The crypto fam is going to be benefiting from everything that I bring to you. So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, support me in any way you can. This is the best way to support me, to say thanks for giving me this opportunity to make some extra Ton on Telegram. And make sure to come back tomorrow for another video, for another update from the CryptoFather channel. I'll see you then. Peace.